Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's time to move on. That appeal this evening to local farmers to start replanting crops following losses sustained during Hurricane Beryl. The call comes from the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS. Details in this report.
The Agriculture Ministry has announced a multi-million-dollar assistance initiative for farmers affected by Hurricane Beryl. But with dozens of farmers yet to calculate their losses and others still struggling to come to terms with the grim reality, there's uncertainty around the timeline for which the sector is likely to return to normalcy. For President-elect of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Owen Dobson, he hopes that will be before the Christmas holidays. But for that to happen, replanting must begin now.
If we get the kind of help as farmers that we need, then I believe in a short while before Christmas, we'll be having things back in the ground, because I'm really looking at we putting in a lot of short crops that can come very quickly to assist.
Mr. Dobson says he fears that if reproduction doesn't begin soon, the sector will be forced to import more goods, a move he says he doesn't wish to see.
I'm looking and hoping that we don't sit back, that we have to do a lot of importation. Because if we do a lot of importation, it's not going to do good for us, because our importation rate at this time is very high already.
But with infrastructure damage across St. Elizabeth amounting to millions, one farming business says before replanting can begin, repairs to key infrastructure must be done.
We just want back the infrastructure back in place that we can start farming. I'm sure we will get, yesterday there was an announcement by the Minister of Agriculture. There will be some assistance for the agricultural sector with variant inputs, and I think that's it, what we really need to start all over again. And what we really need is a meaningful agricultural insurance.
Until then, it's left to be seen how quickly the sector will be able to bounce back in light of other pressing matters facing farmers.
This campaign is not only targeting their economic livelihood, we're ensuring that it's comprehensive, so their material needs. We're approaching the back to school time, so the book list, all the education materials, we're here to ensure that the approach is holistic.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
The People's